Alright, guys, good morning and welcome back to another ride. So, as I told you guys in the last vlog, I'm going on my first group ride. So, that is today. I was supposed to be there 30 minutes ago, but I overslept my alarm because it's Sunday. I forgot to put. I usually wake up late on Sundays, relatively late, not too late. So I forgot to put a earlier alarm, so I woke up late. I texted my group leader because I told you I know him. I texted on his Insta. He said they're meeting up some people downtown, so I'm gonna try to catch up with them there. In the meanwhile, I just wanted to let you know what's going on and start the ride. It's a beautiful day, as you all know. We're gonna have some fun today. Oh, I'm a bit nervous. Not gonna lie, I'm a bit nervous, but that's okay. Nervous is good. Look at that beautiful machine. I have a name in mind for this, but I'm gonna wait. Oh, how beautiful are you? I should have watched it, but we don't have time. Let's go. Alright, guys, let's go. Let me just see if it is recording. I will see you guys when I get out of the garage. Let's get on the highway. Right now my priority is just to catch up with them, and they're about 20 minutes away. I don't know if they're already here. We might catch up with them on our way. We'll see. But the location they sent me is about 22 minutes away from me. So let's see. It's a Sunday, so hopefully there's not that much traffic. There isn't. I don't see that much traffic. I'm wondering if there are gonna be a lot of cops today. There's no sign of rain, but you never know. It changes pretty fast here. I shouldn't be going 80 miles on here. But I just want to catch up with them. Like, this is my first group ride. I already messed up, so I just want to experience it as much as I could. I don't know what bikes are gonna be there. I know there are like a bunch of them. The only two I know for sure that's gonna be there is the R7, the ride of the group leader that I know, and he posted in the morning. I saw on his Instagram he posted an R1M. Oh, that is beautiful motorcycle. I'm so excited to see it in person. I have seen R1M in person, but in the dealership where I got my bike from. I haven't seen it on the road. Today we'll see it in action. I'm really excited for that, and I am excited to see the R7 as well, the white one. I haven't seen that as well in person, only on the pictures and social media. Da-da-da-da, 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 da-da-da-da. Alright, let's go green. I have half the tank. I wanted to fill it up in the morning because our first meeting point was at Wawa gas station. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna refuel it there. And then, as you know, I missed it. So now I have a half tank. Now once I meet with them, I'll see if there's a gas station nearby. I'll refuel real quick. I'll see. Alright guys,
it's 3 a.m. I just touched down. Wanna call me to buzz down. It's up with us now. Don't know who to trust now. Tell me who can I trust now? Hey. Yeah. It's 3 a.m. I just touched down. Wanna call me to buzz down. It's up with us now. I don't know who to trust now. Yeah. Who can I trust now? Hey. Lately I've been on the go. School is home away from home. Teed up on my own, load up the beat, bitch, I'm in my zone. I feel alive today. Don't fuck up my vibe today. Don't come at me stirring my pot. You might get erased from the plot and end up on the plot of them grass blades. They been throwing me mad shade. All this ducking and dodging, your ops in the wavelengths. Get you negative headspace. The version of me that you thought that you knew it been newly updated. I'm activated. Whatever they on, oversaturated. I'm the cure, my intention is pure. My life been blurred, yes sir. Yeah. I've been stitching my wounds and flipping my tunes and versing my curses. I wrote it in braille, never stale. I spoke it in cursive. I'm not from where earth is. The features ethereal, the ancestors searching through veins. I've been curving in person, I'm person in places and things that don't serve me. My hands in the cloud, my feet where the turf is, that's perfect. Oh God, bitch, yeah, I'm activated. Control, burning down trees, big shot on my ashtrays. Never empty, I'm litty. I've been paying the city. Still paying the city. It's 3 a.m. I just touched down. Wanna call me to buzz down. Still with us now. I don't know who to trust now. Tell me who can I trust now? Hey. Yeah. It's 3 a.m. I just touched down. Wanna call me to buzz down. Still with us now. I don't know who to trust now. Yeah. Who can I trust now? I've been playing the city.
that was fun. Oh shit. There's a cope right there. Someone act all nice. I do have my license plate on, so, and it's good. So we're good to go. I'm just gonna act like a law-abiding citizen, get away from him. Slowly and steadily, following the speed limit, following the lanes. I can still see him in the rear mirror. There are so many motorcycles today, I love it. listening to my Siri. I think I'm close, but I don't know. It doesn't. Okay, it says that I'm here, but I don't see nobody.